So now let's see how we can add a star rating block inside of wordpress.com. So in order to go ahead and add in a star rating block, you need to go ahead and hover around in between two blocks where you want to add the star rating and then click on the plus button. So once you go ahead and do that, type in star right here just like this, and then you can see that star rating is an option. So this is what you have, and you can go ahead and keep it anywhere you like. You can go ahead and change around the level of rating right here just like this, and then change around the color of the rating just like this as well, as per what you need. So you can go ahead and change the numbers of the rating as well. Apart from that, you can go ahead with the outline and you can change around the highest rating, or you can go for filled right here just like this as well. So this is what you have. Let me just go ahead and save this out, and then go ahead and, let's say for example, view out the post right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see the star rating right here just like this. You can go ahead and click to change around the rating, as you can see right here just like this, and click on save, and that will be changed out accordingly right there. And that is simply how you can go ahead and add in a star rating block inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.